Hey Al Williamson, how you doing? I'm gonna come visit you really soon. We're gonna be talking about short-term rentals. I'm inside of one of my short-term rentals here in Sacramento, California. And I'm often asked, what are the best type of short-term rental to get? Should I get a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 1 bed, 1 bath? What's the best place? And my answer to that is, it's really about the cash flow. All of this is all about the net income. And so you want to find the right place for the conditions that you have. For example, this place, which is a 2-bed, 1 bath, is a standalone place, and I use it for international travelers, Chinese researchers actually coming over one after the other. I stay filled with the researchers. They love the privacy, and that gives me the maximum net income for such a tiny place. And I'm going to be answering more questions when I see you real soon. So please be there, bring your questions, and we're going to have a great time. I'll see you soon.